Okay, thank you for the time. My name is Komang Baimarte. My ID number is 2013 011 053. I'm from CA Automatic Education. Okay, I will present material about the probability. Okay, first is topic of discussion. In this first is definition of probability. In the second, probability benefit. In third is empirical probability. And this last is theoretical probability. Okay, number one is what are the probability? Have you ever played snake and leader? When playing snake and leader, before moving the pawns, we must first roll the dice. So when we roll the dice, approximately how many possible dice will there? Yes, that's right. There are none possibilities. Why can it be six? Because the number of dice is six, namely the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 8. But this only applies if only one dice is drawn. Yes, if there are two dice drawn, then the number of possibilities will be even greater because the number of dice is greater. Drawing dice like this is an example of an experiment that you will study in this probability material. So, it can be concluded that probability is the price of a number that shows how likely it is that an event or event will occur. Okay. The second is benefit of probability. The benefit of learning probability is number one is help make the right decision and to predict what will happen, and the last to minimize loss. Okay, this is example. You want to open a business selling chip because many people like snack. Okay, to find out what chip people like, you do a survey or observation about the type of potato and cassava chip. The result of the survey show that about 75% of 150 people like cassava chip and 25% like potato chip. This means that your chance of selling cassava chip will sell better than potato chip. Then probability theory can help you to run a business. Okay, third is empirical probability. Empirical probability. Empirical probability is the probability that is calculated from the result of an exciting event or trial. It can also be interpreted that empirical probability is a comparison between the number of events and the trial that were carried out. And this is formula from empirical probability. PA equal FA divided by N. Okay, this is example from empirical probability. Number one, in the experiment of tossing two coins 100 times, the same pair of coins appear 45 times. What is the empirical probability of having another coin appear? Okay, in this example, is now the number of trial or n is 100 times. Second, the same number of coin is 50, 45 times. And the number of opposite coin or FA is number of tries minus same number of coin equal 100 minus 45 equal is 55. And this asks what is the probability that the opposite coin appear. In this example, we immediately enter the formula PA equal Fa divided by n. So the empirical probability of a different coin appear is 45 divided by 100 equal is 11 divided by 20. Okay, the last material is a theoretical probability. Theoretical probability is the ratio between the expected frequency of event to the possible frequency of event or sample space. Usually theoretical probability is used when the experiment is carried out only once. And this is formula from theoretical probability. Pa equal Na divided by Ns. Okay, this is example from theoretical probability. In a bag, there are 40 marbles of which 16 are red, 8 are green, and the rest are blue. Then one marble is taken at random. So, what is the probability that a blue marble is drawn? Okay, in this example, it's the total number of marble or NS is 40 marble. The number of red marble is 16 and the number of green marble is 8. Okay, the number of blue marble or N blue is 40 minus 60 minus 8 equal is a 16 blue marble. Okay, in this ask, what is the probability of getting a blue marble? Okay, we immediately enter the formula theoretical probability is NP equal NA divided by NS. Okay, NA is total number of Na is the number of blue marble or N blue and NS is the total number of marble 40 and Na divided by Ns is 16 divided by 14 equal is 2 divided by 5. Okay, thank you for the time. Okay, thank you for the opportunity. I close with Parama Santi. Om Santi 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 Om. Good luck.